Hello everyone, I am Advocate Akhil Solanki, associate with Lexis and Company. So in this video we will understand the medical negligence through a very important case of NIMS versus Prashant Dhananka. As we all know, medical profession is considered to be one and the noblest profession on this planet Earth. And due to this special status, medical practitioners are often put on a pedestal, and it's more often than not that they are expected to take an absolute amount of care. So we expect the doctors and medical professionals to follow reasonable industry standards, to put it briefly. So we expect to be cured. However, the doctors and medical professionals are also humans, and as Alexander Pope puts it, to err is human. So this is where the concept of negligence comes in. It is the failure of undertake a reasonable amount of care which is to be expected from a reasonable person. So medical negligence is in the recent past has become one of the most serious concerns relating to negligence, not only in India but also in international domain. So a depository duty is owed by the physician and or medical practitioner to the patient, and it's pertinent for them to disclose any or all requisite details and information such as procedure of surgery and the side effects of treatments, etc. So the case at hand, that is Nizam Institute of Medical Science versus Prashant S. Dhananka, was decided in 2009, where the facts were majorly concerned with substantial legal issues of medical negligence. So the issues that arose before the court were whether the doctors were negligent, whether the liability imposed on the doctor be dissolved if the consent of the patient is given, and whether sufficient compensation was granted to the patient. And the case is also important in the fact that it granted the highest ever compensation in the case of medical negligence, and that it granted the highest, then in itself is quite rare and will surely help in the expansion of this right and in the field of study of law as well as in the medical profession. Thank you. See you in next video with some more information.